Nose is swollen a lot,
Mm-hmm.
so it's not a final result.
Mm-hmm.
And nasal bridge became taller, and I put the glued diced cartilage, and so this is the safest, the most safe material until now, and because it is diced with cartilage, you will not have any chance of infection or warping.
Mm-hmm.
And the absorption of the diced cartilage is nearly zero, so the nasal tip height will be maintained well. But it is swollen, so this part will be a little lower, and from front, your nose will look wide, but it is because of the swelling. And tip is also projected well, and ala base was reduced, and I'm very happy with the result. So, but because nose is swollen, wait at least 2 or 3 months for the final result.
Yeah, I really like it. I'm just trying not to smile because I have a big smile.
Smiling, when you smile big, the muscle from your ala base and from upper lip can pull down the tip and widen the ala base, so avoid big smiling for 2 months.
That's why I'm avoiding it right now. And I'm really happy, but I can't show you I'm happy.
Okay, and do you have any difficulties in breathing?
No, I was just telling Emily that I feel like I can breathe better.
Oh,
But
better. That's good.
But I knew you told me, I didn't even know I got deviated septum.
Yeah.
But I feel like maybe it's like, is it all in my head? Maybe because you put a bigger tent, more air can come in.
Okay, that is true. But because your inside of the nose is also swollen, so for the several months you may have some runny nose, but you can ignore.
Yeah, it's better. I feel like I'm breathing better. I'm like, I'm really happy, but I can't show you that I'm happy.
Okay.
Try not to.
When is your departure?
So I fly back to Japan tonight.
Tonight?
And then tomorrow night I'm flying back to Australia.
Okay.
So that's why I was just telling Emily I'm scared that that it's gonna swell.
No problem.
No? And the pressure?
No
Yeah.
problem. Okay, have a nice trip back home. And
Thank you so much for now you made 2 sisters look pretty.
Okay, have
thank you.
a
Nice
nice
to
day,
meet
and
you.
see you soon. Yeah.
Thank you for your hard work. Thank you so much. So I can already see the big difference between my before nose. So before my old nose had didn't really have a very good structure, especially the tip. But now my tip is more refined, more natural, and I like that Dr. Sar's got a very good knowledge regarding the Asian noses. He's very skilled in operating on especially the tip of the tip of my nose. My sister had previous surgery in Australia, and although Australia is very good in healthcare, I don't think they specialize with Asian noses. I think they specialize more on Western noses, and Western and Asian noses are quite different. What I like about Dr. Sa during my first consultation is that as soon as I came in and met him, he gave off this warm vibe feeling. He is quite, with other doctors that I have met in the past, you feel like you're a doctor and a patient. I didn't feel that from him. He's welcoming. He spoke good English. I've got Emily with me at that time, which is my consultant, and I didn't need her to translate anything. What Dr. Sa, he explained to me everything well. I feel like as soon as I met him, I feel like, yep, he's gonna look after me well, because he cared about what I want. He asked me what do I expect, what type of nose do I want, what outcome am I looking for. He gave that all and went above and beyond. So I would totally go back to him if I have a second nurse. Yep. I love the patient care that I received from JW, especially with my consultant Emily. She acted as my, obviously my consultant and my translator. She was very proactive with organizing things for me, especially like during my consultation. If I forget to ask a question during my consultation, I can just message her via WhatsApp, and she will answer the question that I have forgotten to ask. And she also looked after me during my recovery period. She made sure I was okay. She made me feel like I was her only patient, even though I'm pretty sure she had other patients she's looking after. She also organized a lot of LED treatment for me during my recovery, to make sure that, you know, there was like no swelling post-op, as you can see. So I went to Korea to get my rhinoplasty done at JW Clinic, and this is me getting ready for my flight back to Australia. I've already washed my face and changed into comfortable clothes so that I can get a good night's sleep. And this is the sunrise I took after I woke up, just because it's so pretty. And this is me during the flight, 9 hours later. No issue. I'm really happy. And the same night, I even got my makeup done so that I can celebrate my partner's birthday. Yeah, really happy with the result.